Good morning. Well, it's a Tuesday morning. It's been -4 overnight. It's been bloody freezing. But needs must, and these things always seem to break in the winter, don't they? They don't never break in the summer. I've got this diff mount that I've got to fit. This is the new one. Got to take the old one off. The Freelander. So I'm going to get up on ramps, climb underneath it. It is dry outside, but it's bloody freezing. It's still -1, but I've got to do it. I've got to do it. So I'm going to get the spanners and sockets that I need, which is 13 mils, 15 mils, and I'll get back to you when I'm underneath the car. Right, there she is up on ramps. Now I've got plenty of room underneath here to get to the rear diff, and I've also put it in gear, put the handbrake on, and as a double precaution, we've got a wheel chock, so she's not going nowhere. Right, I'm going to get my thing to go underneath to lay on, and I'll see you under there in a minute. So here we are underneath. This is the rear diff. These are the bushes. That one there is okay. It's this front one, but you have to take the rear ones out to be able to do them. So that's my first job, getting that out there. Here is the last one coming out, 15 mil. A bit awkward to film and do it, so I'll leave you that till I get it off. Okay, and there's the new one, all in there. This is the old one I took out. This one, whew, which, as you can see, the rubber in there is all shot, and you can move the bush about. So, yeah, all done. Well, thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking with me. Hi everyone, Happy New Year. Just thought I'd do a little short video on the Freelander. Got a few bits to do, so catch you all later.